empowering you with real advice, no BS from the industry experts.
Hi, you're here because you're wondering what food science is all about and whether it's the right course for you. Hi, I'm Ben Ting, your host, along with Dr. Pui from the Department of Food Science with Nutrition at UCSI. What's up, Doctor? First question, come on.
No, it's actually more than that. Food science comprises of different scientific fields such as chemistry, microbiology, and engineering. So we've learned all this information to teach students about what food is made of, the technology to create new food products, and also the way to process, preserve, and improve the quality and safety of food. So in food science, you also learn how to analyze food texture, flavor, and nutrition compounds. So in food science, you get to create your own new food product. Food science coupled with nutrition is a very good combination because when we want to create food that is nutritious. So with this knowledge, students, when they graduate, they can go out and produce food that is nutritious, safe, and also wholesome to supply for the food industry. So food science also translates into food technology and food engineering, where they gather the information generated from food science to develop new ways of processing and also to apply new instruments to produce foods. These also involve numerous processing methods. The food industry is one of the largest manufacturing industry in the world, where it provides a lot of job opportunities for food scientists to meet the ever-increasing demand for food products that are nutritious and convenient. A degree in food science can be the launchpad to many career options, such as quality controller and quality assurance, to ensure that the raw ingredients and product produced meet certain requirements that are of high quality and safety. Food scientists can further develop into an R&D process developer or food production manager. And on the other hand, research scientists can work at government agency or research center. Other than that, with the knowledge you acquire in food science, you'll be able to start your own food business and create your own food product.
Now you know what food science is all about. Hope you're empowered by this video. If you have any questions, dial us up via this hotline. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.